Alright, let's go into solving quadratic equations by taking the square roots. Okay, so this is kind of a precursor to other problems. Okay, so what if we took, say, something like 7x squared minus negative 21. Okay, so let's solve for x squared. So what we do is we divide both sides by 7. Alright, so we get x squared. So 21 divided by 7 is negative 3. Alright, then what you do is square root both sides. And then you get x is equal to... Now here comes a problem. You cannot take the square root of a negative number. Okay? So if you have square root of a negative number, the answer is there is no solution. Okay? Sometimes you won't have a solution. Now let's take another problem. Let's say x squared plus 8 is equal to 28. Alright? We have to isolate the variable from numbers. Alright? Since if you want to isolate the variable, what we do here is we have to have this 8 come over to the other side. So positive 8. So to the positive 8 we subtract 8 both sides. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So you get x squared is equal to 28 minus 8 is 20. Okay? Now we take the square root of both sides. So we get x is equal to... Now here, the square root, what we do is we can take the factors of 20, which is going to be 4 and 5. So it's going to be 4 is 2 squared. So we can bring a 2 out here and have square root of 5. However, if you have taking the square root, alright, you have the possibility of either being positive or negative. Okay? So whenever you take a square root of anything, technically you can have a positive or negative number. So that the answer is technically positive or negative 2, 5, 2 rad 5.